Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot workflows using ChatGPT for personalization step by step clearly. To configure HubSpot workflows using ChatGPT for personalization, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the automation section in the main menu. Select workflows from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Workflow button. Choose the type of workflow you want to create, such as contact-based or deal-based. Name your workflow to reflect its purpose. Set the enrollment criteria for your workflow by selecting the appropriate triggers. Click on Set Enrollment Triggers and define the conditions that will activate your workflow. Once the triggers are established, proceed to add actions to your workflow. Here, you can choose to send emails, create tasks, or set properties. To incorporate ChatGPT, access the integration options within HubSpot. Select the ChatGPT integration from the available tools. Authorize the integration if you haven't already done so. Return to your workflow and add an action for Send a Message. In the message field, use ChatGPT to generate personalized content. Input relevant prompts and parameters that focus on your audience's preferences. Customize the generated content to align it with your brand voice. Add any additional workflow steps needed to enhance the user experience. Review your entire workflow setup for accuracy and functionality. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure seamless operation. Once satisfied, click the Review and Publish button. Your HubSpot workflow is now ready to leverage ChatGPT for enhanced personalization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.